Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you best heroes in Last Z survival shooter tier list. In this video, we'll go over to the top heroes in Last Z survival shooter and give a quick tier insight to help you build a stronger roster. Starting with S-class heroes, Katrina, Sophia, and Laura are top tier damage dealers with exceptional combat utility, making them most picks for late game content. Shinatsu and Mia are also S-class, offering high skill scaling and strong area damage for team battles. Oliviera, Scarlet, Evelyn, and Selena provide a mix of offense and survivability, giving balance to any lineup. Moving to A class, Vivian, Miranda, Fiona, Elizabeth, Maria, and Isabella are excellent choices for mid-game content, providing consistent damage, troop support, or utility. Even if they aren't S-class, they shine when paired with the Knight team. Finally, B-class heroes like Athena, Audrey, William, Angelina, Natalie, and Giselle are ideal for early progression, helping you farm and survive while building up your main roster. Remember, tier placement can vary depending on playstyle and team composition, so choose heroes that fit your strategy and enjoy the flexibility of experimentation. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.